Mina sebangifonela labo yabo bathi
Sanibonani, it's your boy Phile Mathibe, all the way from Kansas. I'm with my G la na co-host wami Steve Tibiri Mavocha. Phetheni siyakhoze ngayi out yami. Sikhamba kanje Steve Tibiri.
Nah, ngathi Steve Tibiri. Engilanda ngeshinabo. Yasho bafethu mnandi. Wala bafethu Steve Mavocha aka Walaza. Bafethu subscribe lapho bafethu. Anisilandeleleni bafethu. Sayencenga diding. Shibo make the press naleyo hit button le notification masicala sidrop.
Asilambile sekakhulumile out yami bafethu. Ayisiphethu number 12. Ikombize the general.
Izinja bafethu siyagotse. Shibo make izinto bafethu. Danko.
Yeah. Njengoba ke esibongile. Yabona manje so cute Steve uhambile ngama subscribe namanje mina ngizothini. Okay, today we'll be speaking about South Africa qualifying for FIFA World Cup. Sijabulile sibona sikade mfethu. Beka lesimile. Colgate. Sazi wabe.
Yeah. Sure.
So mfethu, judging by the game lebesibukele bafethu, ngiyangibonela amajita adlalile bafethu. Manje I wanna hear you take. What of your niggas?
Your take, my brother.
Mina.
Yeah.
Alright, hayi. Matchenza game fili. Si happy si country.
Osuna police.
Ntwana ishuti sengimbiza shuti awushuti le amadlebe siphithiphithi le
Fila matchenza game.
Ne? Nami ngiyasola nje nami ngishayida bomasameyine fire.
Danko.
So amachita pushile maka besicava.
Yeah.
Besicava seshilo previous episode ukuthi na kanjani phakathi inside siyaya eAmerica. Nakho kwenzekile. Maka ngifuna ukuya deep ukuthi kwenzakaleni yabo. Ubala bokorile kanjani maka yathi ngayina.
Suka lapho South Africa twenza.
Maka Siyabona ukuthi bawinile amachenza yabo. Fili. Nanoma vele kunama critics nyana aphumile yena maka sibuye la yabo.
Umnikazi wawo.
Hayi ditheng vele thethile involve FIFA yabo so like batla khutlanyana la yabo. Fili re utlo go etsa lapha tsona. Hayi angiyazi laba base West. Abathandi South Africa mayini. Yeah, so ish. Nakhona vele Nigeria isilwele yabo. I think izilwele yourself yabo. Izilwele Nigeria ngokwini game because of vele na vele bekumele win. Kanjani? So ukwina kwayo hayi. Thina we are cruising nicely.
Hayi na bekumele win. Kahle bekumele win. Maye wenze kakhulu osimheni wadazi yahlala.
Makakoka nathi
hat-trick.
Simnani.
Yeah, wabulala. Ama abafethu abajensi adlalile
straight.
Adlala I think into esishilo nakule episode ukuthi emidlilini coach kumele afake iplayer hayi abantu abazoba too defensive like overs or stall. Ngithola because labantu laba bayama abadlali and noTebza uye sazi ukuthi umuntu osimelayo la. So ngeke kube nabantu abayi2 abamanje. So bekumele afake umbatha umuntu okwazi ukuya phambili man umuntu obhizi yabo plus uphethe nombule la ngithola ine combination beyenzakala izinto ayimfethu badlalile labantu laba. Disappointwa nje elezintwana le ishaw number 10 out yami.
Kodwa
I think ukhumbula impintshayo le yabo the original number 10.
Kunento komele ukuthi like we should pay in mind. There is off games na ubona ukuthi mwadlala today.
Ne okay sure.
But he did play. He played well for me.
I get that kunama game but lela game leya bekungasi game alikhi player ubulibona ukuthi belenza iliphi player ungalicounter da uthi mali yayidlala ngagrade. Uye ya mina kusho uye no ngithi elinye bekungasila uma game igame lokuthi la siyashaya wonke umuntu uyaya mfethu apolice uvukile mfethu master chef uvukile Ronski uvukile, wonke umuntu uvukile, Tebs emidleleni umbathi ukhona mfethu, defense undamane mfethu bekele belangadlali but ungenile jo yangithola azange sibe nalento yokuthi uTLB akekho yangithola wonke umuntu mfethu bacalene nomrena uyakha wathenga but now uyabona ukuthi wonke umuntu bekala ukuthi yangithola but yena makangena no angazi man ukuthi ukuthatha labantu
off
yeah man bekasase
ukungena kwakhe vela expectanga ukungena
ukuthi yangithola
bekasase off game le Nigeria akhumbula game le Nigeria ngizokunisho ukuthi uNkosi sabi challenge
yeah from that
it's those mind games
ezenziwa
mela khona now you need to be mentally fit
bheka uNkoti last season uye nomfuking phela
bebakhombi
abathathi Pirates
combination
Champions League bayisa straight to Masini so for me so now you're reading about African football you know these guys uyazi ukuthi mele senzini bowenza the right thing last season kuParis qhubeka ngaleyo mindset leyo kuyiphethe la ku Champions League because labantu laba bayafana yibo laba esidlala nabo yangithola ma other than that amagents adlala
le challenge la ithole against game Nigeria I challenge angaza ayithole ecaleni in terms of physicality
yeah
so he had to maneuver his way around whatever situation they went so you need to understand gents
I know you understand
so uthabile la like
same nale game le Zimbabwe same thing
anenhlamela sipane ko riding yabo
and the first deal that's why South Africa will she go make izini first deal bafethu
ayimfana first deal
alava nekimenze ntwana abantu kwabana
kashwana next angishaya na thunyana
fele machenza game bafethu yabo alala ndedaya baphushitse even though never expected of la to win maka
so nanti
America ke mo rian team makala wabo maka qala ka AFCON
South Africa were actually good in combinational plays khona manje yabona le two yethu le umkwena no Mbatha bana
they complement each other
that's why badla elithimi one
they complement each other
badla elithimi one bowubona ukuthi lo maka phambili lona bekakhona yona makaphethe ibhola movie la esayidini lona uyezokhapha like ngathi mfana ngathi badla elithimi one
kumele understand each other
yeah
I think uBros ne uyibonile le fault le ayithunile
ngegame
leZimbabwe makadlala nga double pivot uSithole nomkweni lento uyishilo ukuthi like bahlala emuva
bayastay
akulamuntu ubreak akulamuntu ubreak lead pass the final touch that's why ngikhona ubona Siphombule ahlayiletsa kana ka game eZimbabwe
yes
because of night everything ali one and imtrainile la game akakwasheba akasheba air riding ya Rwanda Siphombule nali a bit asabonala mthola concentrate everything
ngake wawuphula wathi
Mbatha
dako ka game eZimbabwe
naliwa
nalbathi at least bamcompliment abakhona ngosipane
officials ke Mbatha nadlala box to box amafulela lesipane or like wena udlala asetsa so mthola hlupha la game ngeli police police na khona tloa pele a late bolo komrao tse di vele di confuse a ditsebo ga mlatella or retsang fit not
and the game no kana no re bamzadisa as free roller the way nazala kati
nadala half wing because of full side nini nguyimo mari nal busy
and let's me ithabile blind mfana ithabile lokho imodi erenta police
ubani
nje lapha kuma TikTok
mnati mfethu so mfethu ntona mfethu lena game eluvetsa phamsalitswa ka pros
wathi ngikhona into engisho ukuthi ubonile ukuthi yaziboni la kumele sibalande melanga
/r wolo yar leyakhuta kamahopa
njengoba
snapshot
yeah
sikomotele na wadlala role ya master enhle akire kamsheba lena enhle mahopa irole yakhe idlala irole inswemi as a striker udlala simple mfethu
njengo Oliver Giroud France Arsenal bekangadlali as a striker but bes expected ukuthi
amagoli
uzokora top goal scorer they are those players abo mabasa they are those type of players with a top goal scorer yabona yiniper Mahopa will drag defenders.
Hey, what draw away?
Will take defenders. Nabo bazibone enye indawo ukuthi amani ngise position in wrong bengamela ngibe la. Kanti wenza space for our midfielders to come. That is why Apolis could play. That's why Apolis bekakhona ukugijima. That is why asithole clear position bekakuyibonile yena bekakuphi. And uMahopa umbonile yena bekakuphi. In any instance bekuzobe sine strike escorayo izobe sizoba la. Bese uthola la bhola leli akanda amaclash kulo. Then uApolis bekazoba uMahopa. But uyabona ukuthi uMahopa wenzani? Uyandonsa uthi hambani namozana sambini. Bayeza bayamlandela then laba abanye bayakhona ukudlala
enenye instinct kapolice mfana phela lapho leliya
ayimasive
phela uyatrap uMahopa expect ukulidla ngo left okalivale le apolice bese ready
Wayukula
uthe malithi bounce athi nali la
ukula Julia Mbappe ya final ato equalize against Argentina sibila mntwana
yeah so Mbappe ubona apolice training watani mina nje sha ku World Cup apolice kanayisha no mina ngimplay mina kana ithola no ya chance yangithola mara yena dala ichuna la yini
amakafeli pick up to emergency yabo
yeah they played well fana
chemistry lokuzana bafana compared to ama domestic clubs
mamela mfethu the first team of Africa qualify ka players edlala ku domestic league isina international play etswangara
like the chemistry ngara batho ba mfethu badlala week in week out every day
out
what's why
team
what's why but bamfethu ba faceana each other week in week out obvious and kutsho ngiyawutshela la nka discarona PSL or like competitive akaka because of everyone know Pamsal so what's again nna ke fatla batosha Adidas January aria World Cup go prepare vele bantwana ntonyana tse jwalo so like obviously no like so go qualify so o shebe di team tse padi tlo etsang tsona di team yana tse tshwana le bo TS bo Sekhukhune do tisa no ga re ipatla dalo rona ba fetsa but obviously we go prosuka each and every player chance
that's what I like about it
one twelve because of now wabona media nalo mtshelo re keep that idea
quiet team ngithola
before
ukuthi kube yiyo
le ibe re tsebo a re kentsetse akatsika tseba
bakhumbula nge-World Cup 2010 uPerera azange alanda amanye amaplay sebenze ngeteam eyi-1
until
yeah uyangithola so I think naye uBruce uzoyenza ngeke ngimplay ngawuthi angeke iplayer sesiqualifyile for i-World Cup bese wena ushisa no bese ufuna ukuthi ngokuspanise for AFCON uyangithola uzomosha la yini leya bazokucova bathi bakufaka lapha sekume akusaspani
another thing izomosha nale chemistry esikhuluma
ngayo ngivule ngayona chemistry
so mina I think vele mela keep the team like namajita azama ukubatshela ukuthi bafit ngicela bona from no until World Cup bevan
but then I think vele namagents now vele bonding yabo
ba
aware nabo ukuthi because of no isikhathi esicrucial for amajita vele lawa qualify sile nalawa khawathekile ukuthi vele abawasile they already know ukuthi yabona no whatever ngiyenzayo on and off field mele ngibe discipline wangithola because of no i-curtain raiser yini AFCON so dlala AFCON no discipline AFCON so like in AFCON kulake ama players uziphakamisisa we know ukuthi like uzothatha danada
AFCON leads to
uzothatha danada
other people
uzothatha danada
AFCON for them to be selected
exactly so like utlonkarada but then we know like ngathi ba o le gamtse o tla balda o tla ba c'est obvious khoyesi ya buang ka yona bo so like machansi ona le ba lo go batlo ba select ba ba select ba ngabo so o share but then come World Cup ada re dlali da America divisa tlamele di be right machita lona tlamela le one shot bo dikota anyane mfethu anyane ke mo re bitsanye lona di fitness trainer re mfana spana ka batho ba pitseng ntwana ke re wabo ithonyana tse jwa re ipatla vele le gona re itse tse ka amachita mfe ke inspiration ntwana tse di inspiration thotse inspiration go dintwana ntse o go like okay ntwana tse nyane knockout stage lo gona possible re ka etsa na
Amara, we've been doing well as a South Africa. Sports in general.
even no
Sports in general, nje.
And there's
We've
another thing.
been doing very, very well.
exactly
There's
mfethu
another thing here. They haven't announced under 17.
amachimbos
Amachimbosi ukuthi ayodlala.
I know kuyacava ka yona baya World Cup
Yeah,
Yeah,
but now they haven't announced.
abasoyibuya ka
But
exactly
the team are
We are still celebrating that
South Africa
team.
celebrate
Bafana
our big
Bafana,
brother.
Yeah, but
Young
they
Sol.
understand.
Yeah.
But you know everything starts from the ground level.
No, they will
Amara
announce
was
them.
not-
I think
The story behind this is the teams they don't want to give out the players.
oh,
it's amajimbo
Players.
under 17.
under 17 Ooh.
So uyayibona
Then
ke
ke flop
uyayibona ke into uyayibona
then you give me to a big
Disaster.
change.
uyayibona ke lento lebengisho about South African football. Mosheka makufika so. Teams release ama player
And
ayodlala
under
la.
17.
and abajita
Exposure.
badlali yazi
Cabanga exposure under 17. Exposure yamajita njengoba bewa World Cup.
exposure under 23
Under 23.
phela amajita sokuya under
Exposure.
Amajimbosi, amajita, Bafana Bafana.
Exposure.
amatluk
Under 23. I-exposure yebafana bafana. So now uzomina my chat is angithi sifuna i-disk lethu libe abroad ukuthi bazi ukuthi
libe
there's
recognized
South Africa there's
African football.
kune-PSL ngithola the way
ne Barclays
kune
EPL
EPL kune La
ne-
Liga
ne-
ngithi we want to be counted in those scouts and whatever bazobona ukuthi hayi man why lezi zilibele ze-qualifier under 17 under 21 under 23
wonke ama-division
onke ama-division shuthi kune-disk
both male and
Even
female
with, yes,
Both
I was
male and
about to say
female.
that.
uyangithola
both male and female
Uyangithola? uyangithola
semnandi
bazobona ukuthi hayi
Sithole
man
exposure.
kune-something e-South Africa babeza yini bayothola
And then mara vele
bayothola
phela-
ama-player serious
mzansi inali-talent ebhaya jo
too much
Baya,
Joe,
baya,
mina
baya.
ngiyakutshelana no
just that cool those
mina
teams
ngisho without fear or favor awuthiyami yes
yeah
South Africa we can compete with the best of the best.
Because we are the best of the best.
Thank you. But that's why izinto ezenzakala off the field esingaziboni yizo
I
ezikhawathele.
think
Ilento le-
political
le-
influence politics
Yinto
Ikhawuthadile mleyo.
yinto
And
ekhawatha
now
idisk
it's-
lethu.
ikhawuthadile
We used to
mleyo
play as players and we used to look up to other players professionally. But now what happens if a player looking up to a senior player, umuntu ombona ukuthi ngifuna ukuyodlala la adlala khona, ngifuna ukudlala njengaye. Then uyambona lapha maybe udlala ujava ngenkulu. Already it shows or maybe like I wouldn't say he doesn't take whatever that he's doing serious. Maybe it's cut out, maybe as we say, but it goes back to discipline. And we see your computer, of course, your computer will listen to the effect. Once you consume something that actually doesn't habilan nemzimba wakho, yakawatha.
And ukhawatha le play libheke kuwe.
Uyangithola. And
Because
ukawatha
uzotha kushuthi ngabushaya nami. Kushuthi ngayenzani yabo?
and futhi sibhekele nje ukuthi okay, nakho njengoba sikhuluma ngale nto leyo the fantastic 11 nabantu saze ukuthi this is our first 11. So this one wenza izinto behind closed doors ezingazazi nalo. This two, if kuba ama-weakest link lokuzana bazobulala lapha because we're playing as a unit, right?
yeah I think
Ilento lethulakale
off field machita lona tlamele abe disciplined in such a way or like things that dintho tse ba di etsang off field phela remember beside disc being professional football players ke batho lo
Yeah, true.
wabo so tlamele ba phile life ya bona le we bona ba batla go iphela ka teng
Yeah, but baskayiphila
Se ke tjho- exactly tse ding tsa dintho o na le batho ba leng ba di etsa dintho off field in yet aba batho di be public
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Closed doors, right?
behind closed doors aba batho di be public but then re kgona ho bona kang gore like motho o etsa da dintse wrong off field re sambo re bona a tlo dlala gore something is wrong ayo mnate ona ntho tsa di etsang tse leng no a di right off field a device tsa ndleng a etsang wabo so ha ile jwalo then as an individual player yona tlamehile nje be discipline yona self because of ntho ntse ke itshole no la ding e tlo etsala no now that re qualify for World Cup kana tournament tse 2 la ding e tlo etsala no machita mo PSL as a whole kaofela di-team tse Matita tlo batla phamisa letsoho to prove okay like sa World Cup but at least AFCON ke be da go final 23 e yang ko AFCON wa understand ke experience in a way gore ke ile international la le gore ke dladile few minutes or ka dlala ne ke le da as a replacement but then ke ile da ke experience ile over camp on the national team ka experience le international football ntse ke shebile so go setseng go re nna tlamele ke improve must work on myself to to compete amongst the best.
And you must remember, whatever that you do behind closed doors, I can't turn out fair.
Exactly.
Now we're going to AFCON, we're going to FIFA World Cup. Okawata, your teammates, Okawata will want to disappoint us because we look.
Exactly. I think the World Cup 98.
Team Queen. Not bona ba le two but then Magents and ikhathile image ya bona up until the fanda gola so ntse re tseba raiding ya 98
country wa neng ba go pola ke mo ke neng
it 98 it entail phela country le fanda but then ke achievement I never go tswela go lokola ntse tse long like this so abo a ba the experience la ntse so nje ke
the generation ya no ngathi discipline
yazi general Lutheni eringenye into mfana uTeko athi I generation ya no compared to the previous ya 2010 at nowadays ama player abaya they really wanna represent a country more than anything compared to labaya previous whereby selector especially tsa ka ra pro tse dlala international aba represent America for vacation and like ke sheba ne ke batla to understand or like batla re eng tle tikomzi so like ke sheba there was few players still who know anybody selector from Vale International for national duty ne dina lore wa bona like mtho are you interested to represent a country and yet o dlala ka ke ne re rile ko yena gona re mbitsa so re tsebo this man experience go spanele mara yena ale ka iba compared to tsano ka fela go umuntu batla go represent a national team o batla ya da to show like ba batla go represent more than the team tse ba dlalang and then to mna to go no you go pro bona ga no need go ke ka go
njemna to is can no
ke nka wona PSL
there's no need
generation akuzwa ya manje baba fortunate because most of the players Lauren they did before this generation. They were hoping and they were wishing to actually make it professional. They are the ones that are guiding these young ones. And these young ones are looking up to players Euro. So while you're looking up to someone who discipline in a way or okay, I would say African lifestyle. You understand? And the bunali impact them way a whole blind of would destroy. So hence I'm saying the generation here no to the rights, it's more focused.
More national
not only on the field side of things, but born and they pushing Shabano Kanta typical example Kanta Nikima Stadion le high one the water actually na al emis ke sa tsebo bana understand na go ngepano na lo wena o tlo a week la DK me botsa lo za la fitla meet professional players dictate mo le ka ofela
plus
la bona
so like into kwatla mo point one generation ya no it's more focused than
I think ke like Matita a discipline more than being focused but focused and yet but discipline because of like of feel level breaking by itself personal life tsa bona tse of which is agana flop le ntho tse ba di etsa mara not in the public eye because of it ba khawata le ding
it's an image
exactly and the khawata the team we dlala
the badge you need to respect
you see tlamele ba understand or like whatever by tunang of field ba representer the badge and ba representer le bona image ya bona already bona se le brand ka tselanyana tsene like for instance Sepamrim ya no kumtsiba kwa Amazulu nadlala kwa Amazulu ya sharp uko Pirates no usha number 11 Sepamrim ke brand
and they will go to comedies
you understand ke brand udlala in team eGroot. Duduzi Shabalala, we all know.
And there's
Do or die. Why you for me? You understand? Una le play le mfana, una le mntwana fanda khishebela do or die. Intane le ndlala ball emnati ene ke ntwana ne e ke ndlala disc emnati. So you can better go ibua ngo like thole mduki ole kwa hlakanalela kubu kae kae.
So then go to say 7.
Wena lu wena mfethu hlakanile na utlo ring kwa
Na ke lo batla
snap mfana valukile and bese tshela ing ngomthonyana tse jwa o vese utlo batla rafule umango lo tlomjwetsa nthumjwetsa nyona o itshore kaofela so ke self discipline ke ntwana
sisa ku mental issues
wangithola so ke nthonyana tse jwa tse counter emergency counter image ya bona counter le team ke motlamele being involved ko teng o monna.
Okay, let us not deviate.
No.
South Africa winile Mzansi simnandi ngalo show limnandi. Yeah, talking about Kutlo mention about Adidas. Lecoq Sportif.
Yeah. I think in fact it's like Gagathi wakafela Mzansi ukisha. Zinkachu. Lecoq Sportif. December to the end. You know, relation.
The World Cup Lecoq.
Yeah, so Lecoq and Safa were in the relationship after 5 years, of which is nearly agreement. Which one team abona ifedi? Yeah, ifedi the team abona 5 years abona ifedi.
Why do you feel like and then Adidas
yeah, maybe okay nganda jwalo because of nesi Adidas efelo abo. But then I think Adidas itlile ka offer grant because of ne computer le Nike. The last time I checked, Nike never nenkare on top. They say about Adidas actively sponsor nyana tsiding. Obo. So but then two big brands ke tsone tsene di computer. Fortunately enough, Adidas ikona etlo taking over as from Gadiwan sa January.
And Relebuyile Mfulukeng is the face.
And you can like into the players sponsor Adidas it you benefit a lot. Considering FIFA lona vele ke official sponsor sa World Cup. Letting Adidas go FIFA World Cup.
Yeah.
And go bondi the politics and what it's in channel. Ya keep vele yeah. Kala bato testa ka AFCON obvious.
Abasinike so
ya tlamele ba re ka Adidas ya nka ya khuka no. I busy no. So like yeah, Adidas ya khutla vie. Ito sponsor.
Yeah, no, I Lecoq completely.
Both male and female.
Lecoq Adidas, omunye Puma, omunye Nike. Why bangabashayela amathini?
So we know Adidas is mara gaibona vele le kana ola no yetsa. Ya pay ayathe.
Adidas is the one.
Ayakhuka ntwana.
I feel.
Yeah.
So ya ke tsona tsa sponsorship babo.
It's like I'm told to say that since very qualified. Utla Adidas, utla kema outea PSG. Kema number 7 limbisa mankwara what?
Yeah, Karakar. She's number 7 na PSG.
Apparently Mako African no South Africa.
So I know, hey, my brother Karas Kelia emfethi makancane. Oh. Siku project enzima ka.
So ntanga
ufuna ukusifaka nga one leg manje.
Group stage besokuzidlala wazokhuluma manje
yazi mfethu kibile le thought ya riding ngithi akibona riding like ku social media like ntanga
enasena phela batla baba
yeah baba ngata no
atlela bamazi Hugo Bros
the good thing about Hugo Bros yena sathi ba like o dlala o tila ka so like okay I can share but maka man why no
do we need him
I never I'm sorry, ne.
Do we need him?
I need no.
Because bazopenjwa police or Ruri.
Baba, I need to know. Amachita wamka to start with. Amachita wamka. Yeah, ngadlala ku PSG. Full game time mnandi. Tuta suqaba mfethu. Karakara, we don't know you.
Karakara.
Alright, da ku PSG la nabo Nunos, nabo Mbappe, nabo Balbani.
Oza must get to win, maybe we could reconsider.
Thina yemzansi sikrene nge PSG.